Now, IMI is a leading producer of ready-mix concrete materials in the Midwest. We primarily serve in Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. We also touch Ohio, Illinois, and Alabama a little bit. Through the years, we've progressed through different stages of having fluorescent lighting. There's all kinds of issues that come with fluorescent lighting, be it the coloration changes and the flickering of lights. And the RCA LED lights were just much brighter, very, very white light. I know the RCA LEDs use a lot less energy than the fluorescent lights use, but the amount of light output that comes from them is pretty incredible. Ultimately, what we've been trying to do is improve the lighting in the facility to kind of showcase the beauty of the building. It's a great product at a great price. We've been very happy with the RCA LEDs.